All right, y'all. I just thought I'd share with you. I'm starting my survival kit because you never know. So I'm starting my survivor kit with a flashlight, just the very basics for now. And I have a list that my sister has equipped me with and assigned me to purchase items from. So here's just a basic flashlight with the batteries included. This one is a retractable utility knife, and it comes with the extra blades here. Just a basic retractable utility knife. Gonna need that. You never know. And guess what, y'all? A whistle. You will need a whistle if you're ever out in distress. A whistle is something that you'll need to start putting in your survivor kit. This is a must-have. This is that power, that solar powered battery pack with the USB cord on the back. I'm sorry, with the compass on the back. You see that? And then it has the USB plugs in there, the ports. It has a flashlight right here. And as you can see, it's charging. And what do I have plugged in there? I have my earbuds plugged in here. I have another phone plugged in there. Look at that, y'all. Look at the ports. You can plug several things in there. This is so handy, and this is going to be very necessary because it is solar, and you see it's charging there. I'm out here outside. So I got these two things charging at once, my earbuds and another phone. And so I'm just getting my little survival kit together because you never know when we gonna need it. You know, you got to stay ready so you don't get ready. And this also has a clip, so if you're out and about, you can have this clipped on, and you know, you can always have it at your disposal. Look at that, y'all. You can't go wrong with this. Still room to plug stuff in. I would suggest go ahead getting this because it's going to be very much needed. You know, if they hit the power grid, what you gonna do? And y'all know how much I like y'all phones. So I would suggest having you a backup plan ASAP. ASAP, ASAP, y'all. Just the basics I'm starting with. And you should too. Click your card below and get this solar power so you can get started setting up that survivor kit. Click below. It'll be in the cart. It's set there for you. It's set up. Just click that cart, y'all. Purchase. It's never too late.